Good morning, class 8. Today our topic is population composition. The population of a country or the density of population has no link with the level of economic development of that country. Example is Japan and Bangladesh. Japan, which is highly developed, and Japan is not that much developed, but the density of population is quite good. This is not the total number of people that matters, rather the quality. To know better about it, we have to know about the age, sex, literacy levels, health condition, working level, occupation, and income level of those places. That is a simple way to learn about the population composition is by studying and analyzing the population pyramid or the age sex pyramid of that place. What is population pyramid? Population pyramid shows the age sex composition of the country. The shape of the population in pyramid gives us the information regarding the economic and the social condition of that country. Pyramid is pyramid is totally divided into three groups: 0 to 14, 15 to 65, and 65. 0 to 14 are the children, 16 to 25 are the adults, and 65 are old people. According to sex, the total population is divided into male and female. The children and old people are treated as dependents because old people are not able to work anymore, they are dependent on their children, while the children, small babies, they are dependent on their parents. That's why they are known as dependents. The children are shown at the base of the base and the old people at the top of the pyramid. This is the pyramid, how it is made. Now, if the birth rate and death rate of a country is constantly high, then the population pyramid will show a broad base. When we see the pyramid of Kenya, we can see here there is no such pyramid. If we see the pyramid of Kenya, we can find it. As one moves to the higher age groups, the pyramid will rapidly narrow towards the top. This means that lesser number of children can become adults and the number of old people is also limited. Now, how to say the birth rate is high and the death rate is low in a country, then the population pyramid will not rapidly become narrow towards the top. Such countries will have large number of problems because of the number of adults, and hence a working workforce will be affected. In most of the developed countries, the birth rate is low, like Japan, France, UK. In such countries, the population pyramid will be narrow at the base and may broaden up in the adult section. Hence, there is more old people in the developed country. This is the pyramid of Japan. This is the pyramid prepared for India. The educated, skilled, and ambitious adults are an asset for any country, as they form the economical activity population of the country. So next is rural urban population. People, those who are living in the village and their main occupation is farming, form the rural population of the world. It is roughly estimated that about 40% of the world's population in villages, whereas the largest population, rural population, is in the world it is roughly estimated that about 40% of the world's population lives in villages, and the largest rural population of the world is in India, followed by China. Most of the developed countries of the world, where the country is based on manufacturing, severe industries, have low percentage of rural population. Okay. Then the people who are living in towns and cities, and their main occupation is not farming, from the urban population of the world. And since the industrial revolution in Europe, the urban population is continuously increasing because more and more people is turning towards So since the industrial revolution in Europe, the urban population is constantly increasing, and so today there is a rapid So we have seen that Europe during revolution, urban people is constantly increasing. Today there is a rapid increase in the urban population in African and Asian countries also. It is the in the urban areas, the main economic activities are main economic activities are secondary and tertiary. It is essential that in 2045 the total urban population of the world will be more than 600 crores. 600 crores, which is a very, very, very large amount. So from today only, different steps have to be taken by